name's Steve and welcome to Rabbit Ridge Living. Today's project, I'm going to do a little chainsawing. I got this idea. I'm going to see if I can split a log sideways laying on the ground, tip it up, put a couple logs under, make a couple benches for the fire pit. So that's my goal here for a while, and then I got some miscellaneous wood to chop up. And I hope you will join me as we see how much trouble we can get into or not. I am back. My idea here is to just take this log I have been laying around here. I'm going to cut it sideways without, just like it is, not roll it. And see if I can do that. If not, I might have to roll it and put it in the air and cut it downward. So I think I'll give it a shot. I got nothing else to do. And here in quarantine, it's a beautiful day. And so let's see what I can do with this. And see how that works. I'm going to snap a line in there. I don't know if I can follow that or not. Just kind of about where I want it is all. No, well, kind of. Not even going to work. Get onto something here. Roll that thing. Let's see if I can get anything on this. Got a little light on there. It's going to be hard to see. I don't know if it's going to do any good. So we will fire up the saw. See if we can get it going. Okay, we're going to put a new sharpened blade on here and see if that'll work any better. Put it on the ground here. Alright, back with my screwdriver. See if we can get that on there. Adjusting the pin in. Put it back in, get them started. You know, these working on all this different stuff, you don't do it every day, and you got to remember how to do it and retrain yourself a little bit all the time to tighten it up. There we go. Pretty snug in there. Too bad. Yeah, pretty good. Seems like unless you do this stuff every day, you just don't remember all these little details that are important. So maybe a feel good video. So when the average guy doesn't do this on a regular basis, he'll know he's not the Lone Ranger out there doing this stuff. And the Lone Ranger, of course, showing my age, I guess many of you don't even know who that is, but anyway, I think we're good there. Get this stuff out of the way. Don't really think I'm going to be able to cut it very squarely this way, but I'll give it a shot and see. I might have to turn the board and prop it up, turn the log and prop it up so I can cut it straight down and see what I get out of it. But I am in quarantine and I have time.